Hello children. Today we will continue chapter 1, that is algebraic expressions and identities. In that, topic 3, multiplication of algebraic expressions. Usually compared to addition and subtraction, multiplication is quite interesting because of its something special sign rule. Plus into plus into plus into minus, minus into plus, minus into minus. What is that plus into plus, etc.? Just I shall demonstrate now. Through some simple activity, we will try to get what is the product of plus into plus, the sign, like that, children. Now, let us take a numerical example. Plus 3 into plus 2. Consider a number line. Plus 3 means now just this, let us take the help of one divider. See, this arrow mark should indicate always, if it is plus 3, face this towards that plus side. Okay, now plus 3, take 3 units, plus 3, then plus 3 is multiplied by how many times? 2 times, hence 1 and 2. Now just you see, what is that? Plus 6. So thus plus into plus becomes plus. Plus into plus becomes plus 6. So hence we can generalize plus into plus is plus. This sign and us a convenient one, children, that's all. In coordinate geometry, we will study in detail. Next, plus 3 into minus 2. Plus 3, let it face towards this one. Then minus 2 means we have to go back 2 times. Hence, 1, 2. See that? Minus 6. Minus 6. Thus, we can arrive one conclusion like this. What is that? Plus into minus, minus. Next, minus into plus. Minus into plus. Minus 3. Minus 3. Okay, children. Now look at minus 3. Then plus means we have to move forward always. Okay, plus 2. So 2 times. Minus 3. This indicates minus 3. Plus 2 indicates we have to move forwards. Therefore, move forward, we get what? Minus 6. Thus, minus 3 into plus 2 becomes minus 6. Hence, what's the conclusion? Minus into plus, minus. Next, minus into minus. So, therefore, when it is minus, let this face minus 3 unit, minus 3, and again minus 2. Minus 2 means we have to go back 2 times. Hence, see here from 0 only. Each time, let us take the reference 0. Take minus 3. Okay, children. Next, minus 2. Hence, let us go back 2 times. Minus means we have to go back. How many times? 2 times. Therefore, 1, 2, look at plus 6. Plus 6. So, thus, minus into minus becomes plus. Hence, we can get one simple idea. What is that? Plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. This is the basic sign rule in case of what? Multiplication. Then simple example, plus into plus, plus 6, plus into minus, minus 3 2s are, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus 3 2s are 6. We shall take now problems on algebra. Problems, exercise 6.1 worked example, especially under the subheading multiplying two monomials we will see. Find the product of the following monomials. Sub number 1, 4, 7b. Therefore, children, now let us take this one. 4, 7b, we have to find out the product. Hence, we shall write like this. Product, better you write like this only. 4 into 7p. 4 into 7p. First, very important thing, we have to multiply the signs. plus into plus, just that we have seen, plus into plus plus. If it is plus, no need to write. 4 sevens are, multiply the constants. 4 sevens are 28p. Okay, p, this is p. Next, sub number 2, minus 4p into 7p. First multiply the signs, children. Minus into plus. What? Minus. 4 sevens are 28. P into p, p square. That basic fundamental, law of indices. In 7th only you have studied. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Thus p into p square. How comes p square? P power 1 it is understood. 1 plus 1 becomes what? P square. Hence simple thing. We need not to show all this. Simply write the product. Sub number 3. 4p cube into minus 3p. Plus into minus. Whenever signs are different in the product, the result is minus. 4 3s are 12. P cube into p, just like that a power m into a power n, p power 4. How comes 4? 3 plus 1. A power m into a power n, a power m plus n. Sub number 4. 4p cube minus 3p. Then which one we didn't write? 4 into 7p minus 4p into 7p. 4p cube into minus 3p, 4, then this is the fourth sum, not fifth one, fourth one, 4p into 0, 4p into 0, 0 into anything is what? 0, 0 is neither positive nor negative, so thus, in case of monomial with monomial, first we multiply the signs and get the product. Sum number 2. Okay, children, don't want sum number 2. First, let us take Q. One question. What is that? Write the formula for the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Rectangle, a simple figure in which opposite sides are equal, each angle is 90 degree, length and breadth, its area is A equal to L into B. Now we shall take sum number 2. Okay children. Now look at the pairs like this, length, breadth like that. Better we shall take in the tabular form, length, breadth and area is what? L into B equal to L into B. Okay, first see here, P comma Q means length is P plus P, breadth is plus Q. In such a way you have to look at. Whenever the product, simply it is not like that. You have to give importance for signs. Plus P plus Q. Plus into plus. Okay. What that area says? L into B. Therefore, plus into plus plus P into Q. Hence, P into Q equal to PQ. This is what area. What is this? Maybe 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 into 5, 15 centimeter square, like that area of rectangle. Next, let us take the second pair. 10m is length, 5n is its breadth, hence 10m into, even children know this, for product we can use that for multiplication. One simple dot, it indicates into 10m into 5n. 10 5s are 50. First you multiply the sign, plus into plus plus, 10 coefficients, then 50, then go for variables, m into n, mn. Next, we shall take the third 20x square is the length, 5y square is the breadth, 20x square into 5y square. 5 20s are 100, x square, y square. Okay, children. Then, like that, complete the remaining as assignments. That is, which one 20. After that, put star mark. You know star mark. Okay, just by putting tabular column extending, do that. Okay, children. In a rectangular box like this, in order to find out the volume, the size, children, we have to take 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and height. Hence, what will be the formula used to calculate volume of rectangular boxes? That's what I have given you in the form of cube. Volume of cuboid, nothing but rectangular box, L into B into H, length, breadth, and height. Now let us take sum number 3. Obtain the volume of the rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth, and height respectively. Okay, children. In the tabular form, let us take first length, breadth, and then height. Volume V equal to LBH. The main thing here is you are expected to find the product of the given algebraic terms, that two monomials. Okay, let us take first one. Here we have taken respectively in the sense first is length, second is breadth, third is height. So when length, breadth, and height respectively means, that's how we have to take length, breadth, and height. Length is 5a, breadth is 3a square, 7a power 4. Then volume, nothing but the product. Hence 5a into 3a square into 7a power 4 equal to, first let us multiply what? The coefficients. 7 3s are 21, 21 into 5. 21 into 5, 5 1s are, 5 2s are 10, 105. First, before that, actually what we have to multiply? First we have to multiply the signs. Plus into plus, plus, plus into plus. First you take product of any two, then with the third. Okay, therefore, plus 105, a power 1, a power 2, a power 4 becomes 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. Thus, a power 7. That is the volume. Next, let us take the second 2p, 4q, 8r. 2p into 4q into 8r. First multiply the sides, children, because these are what? Sides. Usually in our high school level, sides, okay, will be given only as positive units only. Sometimes in special cases, in coordinate geometry, etc., even in 10th standard, there we will discuss a lot about that and all. Now just let us minimize. That's why you see here, nowhere we find negatives. What are all these? Nothing but lengths. Okay, that's why all given positive only. Then the product will be positive. 2p, 4q, 8r. Plus into plus plus, plus into plus is plus. 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. P into Q into R is PQR. So this is what the volume. Like this, complete all the remaining children. We should take assignment, children. Fourth one. Okay, do as assignment. Complete the following table of products. First monomial, second monomial. This is second monomial. Just in this we have 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, which is missing there now? Minus 9x square, 2x, minus 5y, then 3x square. Okay, better we shall take after minus 5y, 3x square. Next it comes what? Minus 4xy, and then 7xy square. 7x square y. Just I will show you one or two. Minus, look at children here. Now this into this. Minus into plus minus. 5 2s are 10. Y into x in the English alphabetic order minus 10x, correct? Okay, so like this you fill the table. Okay children, next class we will continue. Thank you.